Your private conversations are being mirrored onto a ghost device right now, and you wouldn't even see a notification. You've been told that WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption is an unbreachable fortress, but that is a dangerous misconception. In the next few minutes, I am going to deconstruct the silent, invisible protocols that elite threat actors use to clone and intercept message databases remotely, without ever touching your phone, without knowing your password, and without installing a single app. We are moving past basic WhatsApp web tricks and diving straight into SS7 signaling exploits and remote API callbacks that bypass biometric locks entirely. If you want to know how your deleted messages are being read from a virtual instance thousands of miles away, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this deep dive. Before we get into the technical architecture, I have a question for you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you actually trust the encryption icons you see in your apps? Now, a critical disclaimer. This video is produced strictly for educational purposes. The information shared here is designed to help you understand modern cybersecurity vulnerabilities so you can better protect your digital identity. We do not advise, condone, or encourage anyone to use the information in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or engage in illegal activities. If you are currently facing a security breach or need the professional assistance of an ethical hacker, you can find links to contact certified experts in account recoveries, remote monitoring of your kids' devices for safety, and specialized digital forensics in the pinned comments and the video description. These resources are there to ensure you have the elite tools necessary to stay secure. To understand how a remote clone is executed, we have to look at the validation loophole. Most users assume a hack requires a password, but in the world of point access hacking, passwords are a relic of the past. High-level attackers target the signaling system rather than the application itself. By exploiting the SS7 protocol, the global network that allows cellular carriers to talk to one another, an interceptor can catch the SMS verification packet in mid-air before it ever hits your device. This isn't a phone hack, it's a network-level redirection. While you're holding your phone thinking it's secure, a shadow instance is already synchronizing your entire chat history onto a virtual machine. If this insight into the hidden world of cellular vulnerabilities is hitting home, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Point Access Hacking right now. We provide the strategies that keep you ahead of the curve, and you don't want to miss our upcoming breakdown on network packet sniffing. Oh, and share this with anyone who still thinks their private chats are 100% private. But what about the encryption? You see the notification saying your messages are secure. That is true for the data in transit, but it is completely irrelevant for the metadata and the localized backup points. Advanced remote access doesn't try to break the encryption keys. It simply waits for the data to be decrypted at the destination point, the virtual mirrored instance. By utilizing a technique known as remote mirroring via API callbacks, a hacker can trick the server into thinking a new, legacy authorized device has been granted access. This bypasses two-factor authentication because the server believes it is talking to a trusted, pre-existing token. It is a digital ghost. They aren't reading the messages on your physical phone, they are reading them on a mirrored reflection of your account existing in a parallel digital space. Remember, the digital landscape is shifting every hour. If you need professional help with account recovery or want to set up remote monitoring of your family's devices to ensure their safety in this environment, do not wait for a breach to happen. Check the pinned comment and the video description for links to certified experts and professional-grade security resources. As we move into the packet injection layer, things get even more surgical. This is where an attacker sits on a compromised node, like a rogue cellular tower or a high-frequency interceptor, and injects a specific string of code into the data stream. This doesn't require an app. It doesn't trigger a new login alert. It simply instructs the database to generate a system log report and send it to an external IP. Because this is classified as a background system process, your phone's OS won't even flag it as suspicious. You are looking at a live, real-time stream of data leaving your device under the guise of a routine update. Stay tuned, because understanding these invisible threads is the only way to ensure your access remains your own.